We guide you through how to hide your like reels on Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap your profile icon at the bottom right and click the three horizontal lines on the top right to open the menu. From there, go to your activity and tap interaction. Then select like to see all the reels and posts you've liked. Now, here's the important part. Instagram doesn't currently have a direct hide like reels button, but what you can do is manually unlike reels you don't want others to see by tapping the heart icon again. Or you can make your account private by going back to settings, tapping privacy, then turn on private account so only approved followers can see your activity. And for extra control, avoid engaging with reels you don't want in your activity log moving forward.